Let's just say Shelley Winters did not agree with Oliver Reed's views on women.
The women in England are quite good. They're always in the kitchen, so you can't hear them when they shout.
You think that's where they should be?
I really think that most women are happy in the kitchen, not because they like... men make the best chefs. Liberationists, if they thought about that. Shh, quiet, woman. Women's liberationists.
Italian chef Gino D'Acampo felt disrespected after the host compared his Italian dish to a British dish.
Do you know, if it had, like, ham in it, it's closer.
No.
It's closer to a British carbonara.
Yeah.
But you know what I mean?
If my grandmother had wheels, she would have been a bike. You know, what, you know, it doesn't make any sense what you said. It's a different recipe. It's got nothing to do with macaroni.
Carrie Keegan is one of the only actresses that can match Craig Ferguson's freak.
Like literally the second we do a show, it's out of my head.
Yeah, that's the best for me too. Because then you start thinking about, was it any good or any of that rubbish, and then you go crazy.
You're always very good. Just know that.
Why don't you guys go and take a break?
Do you have performance anxiety? Because I can do it in front of them.
Chris Farley was very excited to see Judith Light strip down to her breakaway outfit.
Well, how does a director convince an actress to be naked in a TV movie?
Because it's what the part required. You know what? I happen to be wearing the outfit that I wore.
That's the
that
outfit
I can actually show you how that works.
What do you mean?
I'm going to calm him down first, and then...
Well,
now you're supposed to cut to a commercial.
oh, I see. This is like a break.
You'd never guess what career path Sofia Vergara was going into before she became famous on accident.
Would you ever think of what happened if you didn't go to the beach that day?
I would have been a dentist, married, in Barranquilla, Colombia. I went to dental school. I went to the university. I had like 2 more years to go to finish.
If you would have been a dentist, there would have been dudes kicking each other in the mouth.
I was not gonna need anesthesia, right?
No, they would just do a root canal with no medicine, just...
Later on in the interview, Sofia was discussing the fact that she had to dye her hair darker to get more Latina roles and took a cheeky jab at George.
The hair, I think they didn't understand that they're blonde Latin women.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, you didn't have that problem because you look more Mexican than a taco, that's for sure.
Craig Ferguson made a flirty joke about Pamela Anderson's leech story before awkwardly remembering she was 9 years old at the time.
I was attacked by leeches.
You better not.
Yeah, look at my arm.
Oh my Lord, look at that.
Well, I think they're leeches. I lied about it so much my whole life, I forget. But yeah, it's been there since I was 9.
Really?
Yeah, it's very traumatic.
Well, that's really odd.
Well, it hasn't
Where
been
were
long.
you when the leeches jumped on you?
In a lake.
What were you doing in the lake?
I was swimming under a float thing. By myself.
Was it in
By
slow
myself.
motion? It is in my
Yes, it
head.
was in slow motion.
Yeah. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't work. That doesn't work at all.
George Lopez tried to beat Russell Brand at his own game when they were discussing his marriage with Katy Perry.
With the wife now, you guys are very busy. How do you stay communicated and connected when you're in different places?
Phone, internet, charisma. I know what you're edging towards, and I've had my computer laminated.
So none of the numbers are stuck.
George! Oh, George!
Walter Matthau's wife asked him not to do any toilet jokes on the Johnny Carson show, but he just couldn't help himself.
3 old guys sitting around convalescent home. One guy says, if I could just do number 1. I mean, if I could do like a strong number 1, like not in dribs and drabs. The second guy says, if I could do a good number 2, I mean, a solid 1, you know. Third guy says, I do wonderful number 1. That's at 7:30 every morning. And 7:35 in the morning, I have a wonderful number 2. So the other guy says, so what are you complaining about? He says, well, I don't get out of bed till 9. You heard that.
Usually we have